Looking for the perfect electric dirt bike to fuel your child's off-road adventures without compromising on safety? I've analyzed the top 5 models designed specifically for young riders, comparing power, battery life, safety features, and real-world performance. Whether your child is a first-time rider ready for gentle trails or an aspiring motocross star needing more speed, this expert breakdown will help you choose wisely. Discover which bikes deliver thrilling yet controlled power, which offer parent-friendly speed limiters, and which models truly stand up to rough terrain, so your kids can ride with confidence and a big smile. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Razor MX125 Dirt Bike. It is an ideal entry-level electric dirt bike for children ages 7 and up. Its scaled-down motocross design features authentic geometry with 12-inch pneumatic knobby tires and a twist-grip throttle, providing a genuine riding experience at a safe maximum speed of 8 miles per hour. The rear-wheel drive system enhances stability and control, while the hand-operated rear brake ensures reliable stopping power. With up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime, this bike is perfect for beginners learning throttle control. The crossbar-reinforced handlebars and retractable kickstand add durability and convenience. While the speed is limited compared to higher-end models, this makes it particularly suitable for younger riders developing their skills on dirt paths or grassy areas. Number 2 is Mad Gear Mini Electric Dirt Bike. Designed specifically for children ages 5 to 8, the Mad Gear Mini Electric Dirt Bike stands out with its 24-volt battery system, delivering superior torque for tackling rough terrain and slight inclines. The dual-speed settings allow parents to choose between safer, lower speeds and a more adventurous 10 miles per hour top speed. UL certified for safety, the lead-acid battery provides up to 7.5 miles of range per charge. The bike supports riders up to 110 pounds and is particularly suited for children between 3 feet 6 inches and 4 feet 2 inches tall. A thoughtful design touch is the local after-sales support from the Arizona-based team, giving parents added peace of mind regarding maintenance and service. Number 3 is Elemara Electric Dirt Bike. This dirt bike offers an exciting step up in performance with its 350-watt motor, capable of reaching 15.5 miles per hour, making it suitable for more experienced young riders up to 150 pounds. Unique features include realistic engine sound effects and Bluetooth-enabled music playback, enhancing the riding experience. The 12-inch inflatable rubber tires and rear suspension system provide excellent shock absorption on uneven terrain, while the rear drum brake ensures controlled stopping. With a range of 10 miles per charge, this bike is perfect for adventurous kids who want thrilling yet safe off-road experiences. Parents should note that protective gear is essential given the higher speed capability. Number 4 is Evmore Kids Electric Dirt Bike. It is UL2849. Certified for safety, the Evmore EM-ED01 is designed for children ages 5 to 8, supporting riders up to 133 pounds. Its 36-volt, 5.2-amp battery delivers 1 to 2 hours of runtime with a 10-mile range, while the 300-watt motor offers 3 speed modes from 5 to 16 miles per hour. The mechanical power-off system and drum brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the high elastic suspension minimizes bump impacts. At 39 pounds with a 21.2-inch seat height, this bike balances performance and manageability for young riders. The 4 to 5 hour charge time is slightly longer than some competitors, but the robust construction and safety features make it a solid choice for regular off-road use. Number 5 is Hiboy DK1 Electric Dirt Bike. The Hiboy DK1 combines performance and comfort with its hydraulic shock fork and high-strength shock-absorbing spring system, offering a quiet yet capable ride over rough terrain. The 36-volt lithium battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime at moderate speeds, with 3 adjustable settings from 5 to 15.5 miles per hour. Designed for ages 3 to 10 and up to 140 pounds, this bike features authentic dirt bike geometry with enhanced suspension for comfort. The 4 to 5 hour charge time is reasonable given the extended runtime. While the higher speed setting requires supervision, the progressive speed modes allow young riders to develop their skills safely. Choosing the right electric dirt bike depends on your child's age, skill level, and riding goals. For beginners, the Razor MX 125 offers safety and simplicity. The Mad Gear Mini balances power and control for younger riders. Thrill seekers will love the Elemara's speed and realistic features. The Evmore shines on rough terrain with its suspension. For long adventures, the Hiboy DK1 delivers extended battery life. Always prioritize safety gear. Match the bike to your child's abilities. Quality matters for durability. Happy riding means safe riding. Pick wisely and watch their confidence.